नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरे इस न्यू वीडियो में और आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल मज़ेदार रीडिंग में। तो आज हम लोग करने जा रहे हैं चैप्टर नंबर 3 क्लास 6th एनसीईआरटी ऑफ पॉलिटिकल साइंस की रीडिंग। ठीक है दोस्तों, पहले से डिस्क्लेमर दे दे रहा हूँ कि मैं कोई भी आप लोगों को समझाने के लिए ये चीज़ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, नोट्स बनवाने के लिए नहीं कर रहा हूँ। मैं केवल आपको चैप्टर के हर कोने से वाकिफ़ कराने के लिए ये वीडियोस बनाता हूँ। ठीक है, तो आप लोग ये मत सोचिएगा कि आप नोट्स नहीं देंगे क्या, या फिर अ, आप वो नहीं लिखवाएंगे, नोट्स नहीं लिखवाएंगे, या फिर आप समझाएंगे नहीं। तो मैं समझाने के लिए नहीं भाई, मैं तुम्हारे रीडिंग के लिए हूँ। क्योंकि बहुत जनों को क्या होता है ना, रीडिंग की हैबिट नहीं होती है। बहुत जनों को रीडिंग हैबिट्स नहीं होती हैं, तो उनके रीडिंग हैबिट डेवलप कराने के लिए मैं ये वीडियोस चला रहा हूँ। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 3 व्हाट इज़ गवर्नमेंट के साथ। You must have heard the word government mentioned several times. In this chapter, you will learn about what a government is and the important role it plays in our lives. What do governments do? How do they decide what to do? What is the difference between different types of governments, such as monarchies and democracies? Read more and find out. चलिए देखते हैं, यहाँ पे देखते हैं क्या लिखा हुआ है। एवरी कंट्री नीड्स अ गवर्नमेंट टू मेक डिसीजंस एंड गेट थिंग्स डन। These can be decisions about where to build roads and schools, or how to reduce the price of onions when they get too expensive, or ways to increase the supply of electricity. The government also takes action on many social issues. For example, it has several programs to help the poor. It does other important things such as running postal and railway services. The government also has the job of protecting the boundaries of the country and maintaining peaceful relations with other countries. It is responsible for ensuring that all its citizens have enough to eat and have good health facilities. When there are natural disasters like tsunami or an earthquake, it is the government that mainly organizes aid and assistance for the affected people. If there is a dispute, or if someone has committed a crime, you find people in a court. Courts are You find people in a court. Courts are also part of the government. Perhaps you are wondering how governments manage to do all this and why it is necessary for them to do so. When human beings live and work together, there needs to be some amount of organization so that decisions can be made. Some rules have to be made that apply to everyone. For example, there is a need to control resources and protect the territory of a country so people can feel secure. Governments do this on behalf of their people by exercising leadership, taking decisions, and implementing these among all the people living in their territory. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है, कैन यू लिस्ट 3 थिंग्स दैट द गवर्नमेंट डज व्हेन विच हैव नॉट बीन मेंशन्ड। तो आप लोग देखिए इसमें क्या कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पर बोला गया है, लुक एट द न्यूज़पेपर हेडलाइंस अबव एंड list the different kinds of activities that the government is reported to be doing in these newspaper headlines. Isn't it isn't this a wide range of activities? What do you think government is? Discuss in class. ये सारे हेडलाइंस देख के आपको देखना है। आपको एक्टिविटीज़ दरअसल नोट करनी है यहाँ पे, तो देखिएगा भाई। ये सब देखो उन लोगों के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है जो अभी क्लास 6 में है। अब जैसे मान लो जो कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए एनसीईआरटी की रीडिंग कर रहे हैं, उनको भाई शांति से एनसीईआरटी की रीडिंग कर रहे हैं, निकल जाना है अपना आराम से समझ समझ के, है ना। तो चलिए यहाँ से शुरू करते हैं, यहाँ से कंटिन्यू करते हैं। लेवल्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट। नाउ दैट यू नो दैट द गवर्नमेंट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर so many different things, you can think of how it manages to do all these. The government works at different levels: at the local level, at the level of the state, and at the national level. The local level means in your village, town, or locality. The state level would mean that which covers an entire state like Haryana or Assam, and the national level relates to the entire country. See the maps. Later In this book, you will read about how local government functions, and when you go into the next few classes, you will learn about how governments function at the state and central levels, है ना। ये देखो, ये हमारा प्यारा सा देश है, भारत देश। यहाँ पे सब कुछ दिया गया है आराम से। यहाँ पे क्या लिया है? सम एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस दैट आर पार्ट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, द सुप्रीम कोर्ट, द इंडियन रेलवेज एंड भारत पेट्रोलियम। देखो, सुप्रीम कोर्ट है, भारत पेट्रोलियम, इंडियन रेलवेज है। चलिए आगे देखते हैं। ये हमारा क्या है? एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव डिविजन्स। ओके ओके, इसमें क्या क्या है भाई? डिटेल में दिया गया है। मैप तो भाई क्लियर उतना ज़्यादा है नहीं, थोड़ा सा इजी है। ये आप लोग देख लीजिए, आपके बुक में क्लियर होगा, है ना। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। लॉज एंड द गवर्नमेंट मेक्स लॉज एंड everyone who lives in the country has to follow these. This is the only way governments can function. Just like the government has the power to make decisions, similarly, it has the power to enforce its decisions. For example, there is a law that says that all persons driving a motor vehicle must have a license. Any person caught driving a vehicle without a license can either be jailed or fined a large sum of money. Without these laws, the government's power to make decisions is not of much use. डिस्कस करने बोला यहाँ पे एक टॉपिक, देखते हैं क्या है। थिंक ऑफ एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अनदर लॉ। वाई डू यू थिंक इट इज important that people abide by this law? In addition to any actions that governments can take, there are also steps that people can take if they feel that a particular law is not being followed. If a person feels, for example, that they were not hired for a job because of their religion or caste, he or she may approach the court and claim that the law is not being followed. The court can give orders about what should be done. Types of government. Who gives the government this power to make decisions and enforce laws? The answer to this question depends on the type of government. There is in a depends upon the type of the I'm sorry. The answer to this question depends on the type of government there is in a country. In a democracy, it is the people who give the government this power. They do this through elections in which they vote for particular persons and elect them. Once elected, these persons form the government. In a democracy, the government has to explain its actions and defend its decisions to the people. Another form of government is monarchy. The monarch, king or queen, has the power to make decisions and run the government. The monarch may have a small group of people to discuss matters with, but the final decision-making power remains with the monarch. Unlike in a democracy, kings and queens do not have to explain their actions or defend the decisions they take. यहाँ पे फिर से डिस्कस करने बोला है। नंबर वन क्या है? नंबर वन है, do you think it is important for people to be involved in decisions that affect them? Give 2 reasons for your answers. Number 2, which type of government would you prefer to have in the place you live in? Why? Number 3, which of the statements below is correct? Correct those sentences that you think need correction. Okay. Number A, in a monarchy, the country's citizens are allowed to elect whomever they want. Number B, in a democracy, a king has absolute powers to rule the country. Number C, in a monarchy, people can raise questions about the decisions the monarch takes. Democratic governments. India is a democracy. This achievement is the result of a long and eventful structure of the Indian people. There are other places in the world where people have also struggled to have democracies. You now know that the main feature of a democracy is that the people have the power to elect their leaders. So in a sense, a democracy is ruled by the people. The basic idea is that people rule themselves by participating in the making of these rules. Democratic governments in our times are usually referred to as representative democracies. In representative democracies, people do not participate directly but instead choose their representatives through an election process. These representatives meet and make अच्छा इधर नहीं है meet and make decisions for the entire population. These days, a government cannot call itself democratic unless it allows what is known as universal adult franchisee. This means that all adults in the country are allowed to vote. यहाँ पे देखते हैं क्या है. यहाँ ये डब्बा पढ़ लेते हैं क्या है, नीला डब्बा. Now here in the world have governments willingly shared power. All over Europe and USA, women and the poor have had to fight for participation in the government. Women's struggle to vote got strengthened during the First World War. This movement is called the women's suffrage movement, as the term suffrage usually means right to vote. During the war, many men were away fighting, and because of this, women were called upon to do work that was earlier considered men's work. Many women began organizing and managing different kinds of work. When people saw this, they began to wonder why they had created so many unfair stereotypes about women and what they were capable of doing and what they were capable of doing. So women began to be seen as being equally capable of making decisions. The suffragettes demanded the right to vote for all women, and to get their demands heard, they chained themselves to railings in public places. Many suffragettes were imprisoned and went on hunger strikes, and they had to be fed by force. American women got the right to vote in 1920, while women in the UK got to vote on the same terms as men some years later in 1928. Okay. यहाँ से कंटिन्यू करते हैं, यहीं पे था ना. हाँ. But it was not always like this. Can you believe that there was a time when governments did not allow women and the poor to participate in elections? In their earliest forms, government allowed only men who owned property and were educated to vote. This meant that women, the poor, the propertyless, and the uneducated were not allowed to vote. The country was governed by the rules and regulations that these few men made. यहाँ पे क्या दिखा रहा है इस पिक्चर में, देखते हैं. Voting in a rural area. A mark is put on the finger to make sure that a person casts only one vote. ये मार्क बनाया जाता है नीला स्याही से उंगली पे. Okay. In India, before independence, only a small minority was allowed to vote, and they therefore came together to determine the fate of the majority. Several people, including Gandhiji, were shocked at the unfairness of this practice and demanded that all adults have the right to vote. This is known as universal adult franchisee. Writing in the journal Young India in 1931, Gandhiji said, "I cannot possibly bear the idea that a man who has got wealth should have the vote, but that a man who has got character but no wealth or literacy should have no vote, or that a man who works honestly by the sweat of his brow day in and day out, day of his brow, day in and day out, should not have the vote for the crime of being a poor man." तो ये गांधी जी को बिलीव नहीं हो रहा था. आगे देखते हैं. Look at the maps on page 29. ये क्या दिया हुआ है भाई? Page 29 and 30, they show states and union territories and districts of India. Find out more information about this. Find out the following information from these maps and various other resources. Name the names of the neighbors of India, names of your state or union territory and its neighbors, names of your district and its neighbors, routes from your district to the national capital. ये सब के बारे में आपको चर्चा करना है. ठीक है, चलिए. Look at the statements in the column on the left. Can you identify which level they belong to? Place tick marks against the level you consider most appropriate. तो ये क्वेश्चन आंसर टाइप के हैं दोस्तों, आपको करना है ये वाला। अच्छा चैप्टर खत्म हो गया, वो तेरी इतनी जल्दी, 15 मिनट हुए भाई अभी तो। अच्छा तो ये आप लोग देख लेना, द डिसीजन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, मैं आपके लिए रीड कर दे रहा हूँ, आप लोग मार्क कर लेना कौन से गवर्नमेंट में आएगा, ठीक है। द डिसीजन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया टू मेंटेन पीसफुल रिलेशंस विद रशिया, ये किस गवर्नमेंट का काम है। द डिसीजन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल ऑन वेदर टू हैव बोर्ड एग्जाम्स इन क्लास 8 फॉर ऑल गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स, इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ 2 न्यू ट्रेन्स बिटवीन डिब्रूगढ़ एंड कन्याकुमारी, the decision to locate a common well in a particular area of the village, decision to construct a big children's park in Patna, the decision of the government of Haryana to provide free electricity for all farmers, introduction of a new 1,000 rupee note। तो ये है दोस्तों आपका चैप्टर 3 पॉलिटी का, क्लास 6 का, है ना, जिसका नाम है व्हाट इज गवर्नमेंट। तो ये इसी के साथ ख़त्म होता है दोस्तों, और आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अंत तक बने रहने के लिए। अगर आप लोग इसी तरह रीडिंग की हैबिट डालते रहें, सुनने की भी हैबिट डाल लोगे ना भाई, बहुत काम देगा, सच बता रहा हूँ, बहुत लिटरली बहुत काम देता है, और तुम लोगों को ना बहुत फ़ायदा होगा। तुम लोग एनसीईआरटी के हर एक कोने से जब वाकिफ़ रहोगे ना, क्वेश्चन कहीं से भी आ जाए भैया तुम फोड़ दोगे, ठीक है। तो बस एनसीईआरटी रीडिंग करने का मन नहीं करता तो मेरे वीडियोस देख लिया करो, क्योंकि मैं अपलोड करते रहता हूँ, 3-4 बार देख लोगे भाई एनसीईआरटी छप जाएगा दिमाग में। और रीडिंग करने की आदत तब तो भाई बात ही जुदा है तुम्हारी, ठीक है ना। तो इसी के साथ दोस्तों मेरे बेस्ट विशेस आपके साथ रहेंगे, और मैं आपसे लेना चाहूँगा विदा। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। और हाँ, लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना यार, अगर मेरा एफर्ट आपको पसंद आ रहा है तो, ठीक है। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ वेरी नाइस डे।